roll number is 241 and my topic is about TE and TM modes. First, what is TE mode, what is TM mode, what is mode. In that, first we have to know about waveguide. What is waveguide? A metallic tube which can transmit the signals which have the frequency above the 3 GHz frequency. That tube is known as waveguide. In that waveguide, there are infinite number of sheets. Those are called as modes. What is TE? What is TM? TE is nothing but transverse of electric field. TM is nothing but transverse of magnetic field. Transverse of electric field is nothing but electric field along the direction of the propagation. That is nothing but transverse of electric field. Transverse of magnetic field is nothing but magnetic field along the direction of propagation. Is nothing but transverse of magnetic field. In TE mode, Ez equals to 0 and Hz is not equals to 0. In TE mode, what is Ez? Electric field along the direction of Z plane. And what is Hz? Magnetic field along the direction of Z plane. In TE mode, Ez equals to 0 and Hz is equals to not equals to 0. At the same time, same like that, in TM mode, Hz equals to 0 and Ez is not equals to 0. So, we know that electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. So, at the TE and transverse of electric field, at the surface of the semiconductor, electric field is perpendicular to the surface of the semiconductor and the magnetic field is parallel to the surface of the semiconductor. Then, cutoff frequency for the TE and TM modes. For that, we have to know about the formula S square equals to gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon. Gamma is the propagation constant, mu is the frequency and omega is the frequency and mu is the permittivity and epsilon is the constant. We have to assume that it is equals to A square plus B square. What is A, what is B? Both are constants. And n pi by whole square plus n pi by b whole square. What is A and what is B? That the modes of operation in many types. Like that, the mode of operation can be represented by the, but suppose TE mode can be represented as TE Mn mode. What is it? What is it? M is for, it is indicates that number of infinite sheets of the along the direction of A. And N is nothing but along the direction of B. This is indicates the direction of M is indicates the number of directions, the number of fields at the half cycles at the direction A, and it indicates the intensity of at the B. Then suppose modes like that TE 01, TE 10, TE 11, TE 00. Like that also for TH mode also many modes like TM 00, TM 01, TM 10, TM 00 and TM 11. Many modes are exist. Many modes are exist. So what is n pi by A, n pi by B minus here what we have to do from 1 and 2 equations we are finding the gamma square value. What is gamma? Propagation constant. Then what is gamma? This is the imaginary form. Gamma equals to alpha plus j beta. Alpha is the it is the imaginary part, it is the real part. Alpha is greater than beta. That is for high frequencies. That is, then when alpha is greater than beta, the alpha term can be negated. Then gamma equals to alpha. Then alpha equals to j beta. Alpha is less than beta for low frequencies. Alpha is greater than beta for higher frequencies. Then another case is the gamma equals to j beta. When alpha equals to beta. When alpha equals to beta, gamma equals to j beta. It is nothing but imaginary frequencies. Gamma equals to 0. Then omega c is, what is omega c? Frequency. 1 by root of mu epsilon, root of m pi by a whole square. From the equation number by 2 pi. C by 2 pi and both are cancelled. Omega equals to 2 pi fc. So fc, we are finding fc. This is an angular frequency, this is the frequency. Then fc equals to c by 2 pi. This is the cutoff frequency for the transverse of electric field and transverse of magnetic field. What is cutoff frequency? What is cutoff frequency? At that above that frequency, the waveguide can be ready to transmit that, propagate that waves. That is nothing but the cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency for the TE and TM modes is the C by 2 root of n by a whole square plus n of d whole square. Above these frequencies only the waveguide can be transmitted, propagate the waves.